Nowadays, everyone wants to earn a Bitcoin. So that in this video, I am going to tell you how to mine a Bitcoins with the help of your smartphone. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump in. First of all, you need to download Yandex browser from the Play Store. The link is in the description. Then you need to download the extension. The link of it is also in the description. Open the extension link in the Yandex browser and download it. Then you will see the interface like this. Here you need to log in through your Facebook or Google account. You can control your mining speed from here. If you want to earn more bitcoins, then you need to invite your friends. If you want to withdraw your mined bitcoin, then click here and withdraw it. But the minimum amount is 0.00041 BTC. So you need to wait till this point. Thanks for watching.